Welcome back to another trade recap. As you can see, I ended up taking a short on NQ. Got stopped at break even. If we just take a look at this accordion pattern price action, it was dog shit today. So I ended up getting stopped out at break even. I think I'm up like $11. So I can pay for lunch, but nothing really else. But kind of want to just run through my bias and what I was thinking throughout market open. So if we go back to 7:30 and if we look at the higher time frame, so overall we were bullish bias, and I think this high was the obvious draw on liquidity, and I wanted to see this high become the draw. And if we look at the 4-hour, we had been respecting this giant 4-hour bullish for value gap, and we got below this down close candle. So I wanted to see this high become the draw, and this would be, when we take this high, I'd want this to be turtle soup on the higher time frame to then go down and take that low and then begin buy side of the curve, for the next month and a half. So zooming in, I wanted to see, honestly, this high be taken first and then kind of fall over and go towards all this generated sell side and this unfilled 1 hour we had below. So at market open, let's go back to market open, 7:30. At market open, we had both internal sell side and internal buy side, right? We end up coming down, taking internal sell side and also putting in a bullish SMT or a bearish SMT. So ES ends up taking this high, NQ ends up taking this low. Keep in mind, now we have bullish and bearish SMTs on both sides. So when this happens, I want to stay out, right? Because we just put in two SMTs on both sides. I want to see what price action is showing us. So we come up. Where the fuck's my thing? Here we go. We come up. We continue to just chop, build price action, continue to hold this 1 minute bearish for value gap. And keep in mind, went too far. ES ends up coming up and taking this internal high. So now we have put in another bearish SMT internally. Now, what did I want to see become the draw? I wanted to see these lows become the draw that are somewhat like data lows. Technically, I wanted to see data lows, but I just marked out this low. So I marked out this 1 minute change in the state. Keep in mind, we're respecting this bearish for value gap. We have bearish SMTs right internally, but we do still have this bullish SMT, so I just want to wait and watch price action. We continue to build, and then once we get below this change, I enter short with my stop at this high and targeting sell side below. I have my break even at this internal low. It gets hit immediately. And then once break even gets hit, I obviously move my stop to break even, and then I get stopped out. So that was my trade that I took today. Like right after this, I continued to watch. I was open to taking another trade. And then, we kind of just sat here for a good 30 minutes and didn't really do much. And then around here, I hopped off. So really, really, really shitty price action. These are the days that you just want to stay out. You do not want to touch these type of days. But yeah, very, very quick video. Nothing really to go over, just a break-even trade. And then after this, I kind of knew, okay, price action's dog shit. I'm just going to sit and watch and see if something pops up. Most likely there won't be. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this trade recap. I hope you guys stayed safe in these fucking markets, because this market today was ass cheek. So I hope you guys stayed safe. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day, and I will catch you guys in the next one.